Alright guys, how's it going? Today we're going to be putting this spoiler on. I put this little one right here. It's pretty cool. Not too shabby. Makes the car look a little better. Obviously this is a stock one that comes in the car. Not really a spoiler. I don't really know what this is. This is just a little speed bump right here. We got the M4 looking one. As you can see, a lot more aggressive, a bit bigger, and gloss black. You can get like carbon fiber or something. You can get carbon fiber. Maybe just color match it to this, but basically we're going to be removing it by using this fishing line right here. And basically with the fishing line, you can get it right under. Alright, so you get your little fishing string, you put it right here, and you start pulling it to cut all the old glue off like this. And then you just keep doing that all the way down. And here we are at the right end. Just keep pulling like this. And there we go. We made it to the top. So this, you just pry it up like so now. Just like that. Alright, so here we are. Here's cleaned up. Here's all the sticky stuff. See how thick it is? Get yourself one of these wheels. 3M wheel to remove this stuff. Let's go like this. Alright, so you see we put some double side tape. It came with this one right here, which is very thin. But I did have this one right here, which is a bit thicker. As you can see, I put one big thick one, and then for the thin ones, I put them right here in the corners, right here in the corner, and on the other corner. Alright guys, I forgot to mention that to get rid of the rest of the residue that's left over, get this Goo Gone stuff. It's really good to remove adhesive material that's left over, and you will be needing it to get rid of the rest of the adhesive that's still stuck. Alright, so this part right here is a bit complicated and is the most tedious part, just because you have to make sure you line up the spoiler so both ends are kind of even, or else one side's going to be a little bit more to the left or to the right. So make sure you take your time with this. And on the bottom, you can start peeling off the double-sided tape from the bottom. That way you can keep it in place and start peeling it off little by little. As you can see, I'm peeling it off. You can't really see it in the video, but as I'm peeling it off little by little, I'm pressing it down to make sure it secures down and stays in its place. Alright, so this is the final product. As you can see, it came out really good. I really like how it came out. I also removed the 135i emblem right here, using the same method with the string, and then removing the residue with the buffer and the Goo Gone. There is a bit of a shadow there, but it's not too noticeable. But overall, I really like how the wing came out. It looks a lot more aggressive now. It's what was missing on the car, because the rear of the car looks a little bit bland. But this is the final product. I really like how it looks, and I would highly recommend it.